The best time to prune hibiscus plants. The hibiscus rosa-sinensis, an evergreen shrub, can grow to height of up to 20 feet, depending on the variety. A tropical shrub, it does not tolerate frost well. The plant produces 6-inch, trumpet-shaped flowers in a wide range of colors. Care requirements. The hibiscus flourishes in U.S. Department of Agriculture zones 9 to 10. The plant is a prolific grower and requires regular pruning to help maintain its size, shape and general looks. If the shrub does not receive adequate pruning, it can become leggy. Pruning timeframe. Prune a hibiscus shrub lightly any time of year in tropical locations. If the shrub suffers frost damage or freezes, the dead areas will require pruning. Heavy pruning of the plant should take place from February to March. Considerations. Consider pinching back new growth in the spring to encourage the plant to become bushier. Pinching also will enable the shrub to produce more blossoms.